That heart-stopping moment when you realize your plane has left without you? It's a traveler's worst nightmare, a sudden roadblock on your journey. But take a deep breath. This frustrating situation is absolutely fixable, and I'm here to help you navigate it. Hey, fellow travelers! We've all faced unexpected delays or hiccups that threaten to derail our carefully planned trips. Missing a flight feels like a major setback, leaving you stressed and unsure of what to do next. But don't let panic take over. This guide is designed specifically for you, the traveler, to provide clear, actionable steps. We'll turn this problem into a manageable challenge, getting you back on your way as quickly and smoothly as possible. Your very first move is critical. Stay right where you are in the airport. Leaving might complicate things unnecessarily. You need to connect with your airline immediately to explore your options before seats fill up. You have two primary ways to reach your airline right now. Both are important, and doing them quickly is key to solving this problem efficiently. Time is of the essence when rebooking. Option 1, grab your phone and use the airline's mobile app. Many apps have a Need Help or Contact Us feature that can connect you directly to rebooking specialists. Calling their dedicated customer service line is also vital. Sometimes phone agents can act faster. Option 2, head straight to the airline's customer service desk or ticket counter in the terminal. Yes, there might be a line, but speaking face-to-face with an agent can be incredibly effective. They have direct access to booking systems and can often find solutions phone agents can't. Pro traveler tip: try doing both simultaneously. Call customer service while you're walking to the counter. Whoever you connect with first can start the rebooking process, doubling your chances of a speedy resolution. Knowing why you missed your flight and the details of your ticket is crucial for understanding your options. This information empowers you when talking to the airline. It helps you anticipate what they can offer. If the missed flight was due to the airline's fault, like a previous flight delay causing a missed connection, they are generally obligated to rebook you. They should put you on the next available flight at no extra cost. They may also provide compensation for meals or accommodation if the delay is significant. If you missed the flight due to reasons within your control, traffic, oversleeping, getting lost in the airport, the situation is different. You will likely need to pay a change fee and any difference in fare for the new ticket. This is where your ticket type matters most. Many major airlines have eliminated change fees for standard economy and higher fares on domestic routes. This is great news. You might only have to pay the fare difference, which can be significantly less than a full new ticket. Always ask about this policy. However, if you booked a basic economy ticket, be prepared for stricter rules. These fares are often non-changeable and non-refundable. In this case, you might unfortunately have to purchase a completely new ticket at the current price. When you connect with the airline agent, don't just accept the first flight they offer. Be proactive and ask about all potential solutions. Your goal is to find the fastest and most cost-effective way to reach your destination. Ask specifically about same-day confirmed options on your airline. Even if the original fare class isn't available, they might have seats in a higher class. You would typically only pay the fare difference, which could be less than a new ticket. Inquire about flights on partner airlines. Many airlines have alliances or code-share agreements. An agent might be able to book you on a competitor's flight that departs sooner using your original ticket value. Consider nearby airports. Sometimes, flying into or out of an airport a short distance away from your original plan can open up more flight options. A quick train or ride share might be worth it to avoid a long wait. Ask about different routes or connecting cities. A direct flight might be booked solid for days, but a flight with 1 or 2 connections could get you there much sooner. Be open to alternative paths. A valuable tip for flexibility: ask about being placed on standby for earlier flights throughout the day. If there are last-minute cancellations or no-shows, you could potentially get a seat without paying a fare difference, especially if you have elite status. Sometimes the best solution isn't flying at all, especially for shorter distances or specific routes. Think creatively about how else you can reach your destination. Ground transportation can be a reliable backup plan. Check out train services like Amtrak, especially in regions with extensive rail networks like the Northeast Corridor. Trains can be surprisingly convenient, often going city center to city center, avoiding airport hassles. They can also be more comfortable for working or relaxing. Look into bus services like Greyhound or regional carriers. Buses are often the most budget-friendly option and have routes covering vast areas. While slower than flying, they offer a direct way to get from point A to point B when flights aren't working out. Don't forget rental cars. If you're traveling with others or heading to a destination not easily accessible by public transport, renting a car might be the most practical solution. Compare the cost of a rental car and gas against the price of a new flight. Using apps for trains, buses, and rental cars can quickly show you available options and prices. Having these alternatives in mind can save you from being stranded and provide a viable path forward when flights are unavailable or too expensive. Protect yourself financially by meticulously documenting everything related to your missed flight and subsequent arrangements. This is crucial for potential reimbursement or claims. Don't skip this step. It can save you money later. Take photos of airport departure boards showing delays or cancellations. Save screenshots of airline app notifications or emails about schedule changes. Keep all receipts for any unexpected expenses you incur, like meals, ground transport, or accommodation. This documentation is essential if you have travel insurance. Many policies cover expenses incurred due to covered reasons for missing a flight, such as illness, accidents, or airline-caused delays. You'll need proof to file a claim successfully. Check the benefits offered by the credit card you used to book the flight. Many premium travel cards offer trip delay or interruption protection. These benefits can reimburse you for reasonable expenses if your trip is delayed by a certain number of hours, often including missed connections. If your delay causes you to miss work or other important commitments, ask the airline for a compensation letter. While not guaranteed, some airlines will provide documentation explaining the delay, which can be helpful for explaining the situation to your employer or others. If you end up with a significant wait time for your new flight, make the most of your time at the airport. Turn this unexpected pause into an opportunity rather than just wasted hours. Airports offer various amenities to help you pass the time comfortably. Utilize the airport's facilities. Most airports offer free Wi-Fi, plenty of charging stations for your devices, and comfortable seating areas. Some even have quiet zones or designated sleeping areas if you face an overnight delay. If you have a travel credit card or airline status, check if it grants you access to an airport lounge. Lounges offer a much more comfortable environment with complimentary food, drinks, Wi-Fi, and sometimes showers. It's a great way to relax and recharge. Use the time productively. Catch up on emails, work on a project, read a book, or download movies or podcasts to watch offline later. Turning the delay into productive time can make it feel less frustrating. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, maintain a calm and polite demeanor when interacting with airline staff. They are dealing with many frustrated travelers. A little kindness and patience can go a long way in getting their help and finding the best possible solution for your situation. While knowing how to handle a missed flight is important, preventing it in the first place is even better. A few simple habits can significantly reduce your risk of this stressful event happening again. Plan ahead and stay organized. Always aim to arrive at the airport with plenty of buffer time. A good rule of thumb is at least 2 hours before domestic flights and 3 hours before international flights. This accounts for unexpected traffic, long security lines, or check-in delays. Check in online as soon as possible, typically 24 hours before departure. Download your mobile boarding pass or print it at home. This saves time at the airport and confirms your reservation is active. Sign up for flight status alerts directly from your airline or through flight tracking apps. These notifications will inform you of any delays or gate changes in real time, allowing you to adjust your plans accordingly. Have a backup plan for getting to the airport. Know alternative routes, check public transport schedules, or have a rideshare app ready. Don't rely on just one method, especially during peak travel times. Missing a flight is undoubtedly stressful, but it's a problem with solutions. By staying calm, acting quickly, knowing your options, and being prepared, you can navigate this challenge successfully. You have the tools now to turn a travel hiccup into a manageable situation. Have you ever missed a flight? What did you do to fix it? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Your insights could help another traveler facing the same problem. If this guide helped ease your worries and showed you the way forward, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We share practical travel tips and problem-solving advice to help you travel smarter, smoother, and with less stress. Safe and happy travels on your next journey. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more travel hacks every week. Before you go, check out this video where I break down more packing secrets to make your next trip stress-free. See you in the next one!